Hello, good morning to everyone, new, energetic, and enthusiastic students of the 6th class JNV Mukhla. First, myself, my name is Naresh Dalal, and I will teach you mathematics. And last few days, I was on leave. That's why we are some we are some late to start our classes. Okay, but now we will start our classes regularly and I will take every day. Okay, and I hope everyone is happy and healthy at your home. So again, good morning to everyone. Okay, now we will start. Before the start our chapter, I am telling you which one chapter which will come in exam, in final exam, not in this exam, in practice test, on final exam. Final exam will be conducted in March. Chapter number 7 to chapter number 7 to 14. Chapter number 7 to 14 will come in our final exam, which is conducted in March. Okay, so 7 to 14. Understand it? So tell me. So today we are going to start our first chapter, which name is fractions. Chapter number 7. Chapter number 7. So I know you we are already discussed 7th chapter in 4th and 5th class. Okay, and this chapter name is fraction. What is fractions? What is fraction? First, tell me, every student, these are how many pages? You can see clearly how many pages? These are only a one page. Okay, but if I fold it now like this one, if I fold it, and now if I cut this page and I fold, now how many pages? Only one. But if I turn it, how many pages? These are two pages. How many pages? These are two pages now. But this is a single page, but I fold it. How many parts? These are become two parts. Okay. Now tell me, if I again fold it, every part like this one. I again fold it. So how many? These are equal parts. 1, 2, and these are 4. I am showing you, these are 4 parts. First, we take a single page and it is only one part, and again I fold it one time, and again I fold it in again, and now how many parts is become? These are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 equal parts. How many equal parts? 4 equal parts. And everyone know, in starting we take a single page. How many parts we will take? A single page. And now how many parts we divide it? 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So from starting one single page, we divide it in 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All are equal parts. Okay, equal. Yes. So like this one. So tell me, if I ask you, what is this portion, this one, this portion is one portion out of how many equal parts? One portion out of 4. This is only one part. First, this one is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means out of 4 equal part, how many part? One part. Okay, same as it is first. Now Second, it is also out of 4 equal parts. These are how many parts? Only one part. This is also 1 by 4. And now third, this one is also 1 by 4. And it is also 1 by 4. So it's mean some part, we take a some part out of a one whole page. It is called fraction. It is called fraction. So what is fraction? Fraction is a part of group. Part of a group of or a region. Yes, it is a single page and we take its part. It is one part, second part, third part and fourth part. So it's mean it is 1 by 4, it is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by. And how to read it? We will like this one. So it is out of 4 equal parts. These are how many parts? Only one part. How many part? It is only one part. Understand it? Same as it is. Suppose one more example we are taking. So it is 1 by 4. Suppose one day you come to school and you forget to bring your tiffin box, your lunch box, okay? And your friend Ria has 5 bread. How many bread? She has 5 bread and Ria observed that in the lunch time you are not taking the food. And Ria asked to his friend, why you are not taking your food? So you told the Ria, today I forgot my lunch. So Ria has decided to share his lunch box, okay, with Demika, okay. One is Ria, girls, and second is Demika. So Ria wants to share his lunch box with Demika, and she has how many bread? 5 bread. So 2 bread took Ria and 2 bread was taken by Demika. Total how many bread you has? 5 bread. How many bread is left? Only 1 bread is left. And if 1 bread is left, so what we will do? So it is 1 bread, suppose it is a bread, okay? If it is a bread, 1 bread, so you divide this bread in 2 equal part. In how many equal part? 2 equal part. 1 part, 1 is out of 2 equal part. How many part? From 1 bread, because how many friends? These are 2 friends, Ria and Demika. They want to divide it in 2 equal part. So both are equal parts. So how many? 2 part. So 1 part taken by Ria and 1 by 2 taken by Demika. Do you understand? Your friend Ria divide the bread, one single bread in 2 equal parts. So it means if there are 1, 2, how many equal parts? 2. Always downside we will write total part. 1, 2. How many total part? 2. And how much is taken by Demika? 1 part. So 1 is out of 2. And 1 is out of 2 by taken by Ria. So this is called beta fraction. It is also a fraction. Yes, fraction is a part, is a region or part of a whole. Okay, because it is a single bread. It is a single bread, and you take its part. Yet some part you taken by. Yes, so it is called a fraction. So fraction mean is a part of group. Is a part of group or part of a region. So Ria took 2, and second time Ria take 1 by 2. 1 by 2 mean 1 is out of 2. So you can write 1 half. How will we read it? 1 half. So we take 1 half. It is also 1 half. Understand or not? One more example we are taking. I hope you understand what is fraction, okay? Now, one more part. Like this one. Yes, suppose it is a any, you have a chocolate, okay? You have a chocolate and you divide it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you divide the chocolate in 5 equal parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You divide the chocolate in 5 equal parts, and suppose it is first chocolate, okay? It's the first. And so how will you write it? Suppose one portion from the whole chocolate, because chocolate is how many? One chocolate. How many chocolate? Only one chocolate is given, and but you divided how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So how will we write it? 1 by 5. It means 1 is out of 5 equal parts. 1 is out of 5 equal parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write is 1. What we will write is 1/5. 1/5. 1/5. It is 1 is out of 5 equal parts. And suppose if I write like this one, so what we will write? It is write 2 part. 2 is out of 5 equal parts. So otherwise you can write it 2/5. 2/5 you can write. Understand it? You can write like this one also. What we will write? How many part is you already distribute to your friend? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 5. It means 4 is out of 5 equal parts. So you can write it 4/5. 4/5. So how many portion? 4/5. So it means what is fraction? Fraction is a part of. Whose part? Part of a whole or a group. It is, you can take a group. Okay. Understand? So it is a fraction. So write what is fraction. I hope everyone understand it. What is fraction? Now, so this one note down everyone. What is fraction? A fraction means a part of group or of a region. Example you can write, any example you can write, whatever you know. Suppose 3 by 11, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So what we will write it? It is, we will write 3/5. It means 3 is out of how many equal part? 5 equal part. How many equal part? 5 equal parts. Understand? So 3/5. Understand? So it is called a fraction. Very simple, very easy chapter this one. If you understand what is fraction, it is very simple. Understand it? Same as it is. One more example you can take. And now, and everyone know in 4th and 5th class you already learned. Suppose 3 by 5th. Downside we called. It is called always upside we called numerator. And downside is also called denominator. Always remember, okay? When we will do the question, I will not say 3 by 5. I will say numerator, denominator. So numerator mean upside and denominator mean downside. In 5th class we already learned these things, okay? But I am explaining again, okay? It is very simple questions, okay? So now we are going to start our first questions of the 7.1. Okay, I hope everyone understand it. What is a fraction? What is a fraction? So now the first question, note down it, okay? First and done. First question of 7.1. 7.1. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. we have to write, it is a triangle, everyone know, and we have to write the fraction. Whose fraction we have to write? Which is the shaded portion. So first we will observe how many total equal parts. How many total equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And whose fraction we have to write? Of shaded portion. So total part is 4. Always total part we will write downside. It is called numerator. Okay. It is called a numerator. Okay. And it is called denominator. Okay. It is called numerator is upside, denominator is downside. Okay. So total part always we will write to downside. It's mean denominator. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many shaded portion in this triangle? 1, 2. So 2 by 4. So what is fraction? 2 by 4. Understand? So you can write fraction of shaded region is 2 upon 4. It means 2 is out of 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 2 is 4 equal parts. Very simple. Next is second part. It is given second part. It means these are shaded. So first always count how many total equal parts we will write. So always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total parts is 9. And how many shaded part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 upon 9. It means shaded portion 8 out of a 9. So 8 is shaded and 9 is total parts. And if I ask you, find the region of unshaded. Which unshaded means which is not shaded. So how many ones? So 1 upon 9. If examiner asks you, find the fraction of unshaded. So how many unshaded? Only 1. 1 upon 9. Understand it, everyone? Very simple, better. Okay. Next is which one part? One more. Suppose part number 7 part. Now 7th part of the first question. 7th part. Okay. It is given in 7th part. All our pencils are given. Okay. 1. We have given the pencils like this one. Fraction of shaded region. Always first we will write in denominator total how many parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And now whose fraction we want to find? Shaded. And all are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are shaded. So 10 is out of 10. It means all are shaded. All are shaded region. So 10 is out of 10. Okay. I hope you understand it. One more part. Fourth part. What is? It is given fourth part, it is given fourth part and it is shaded. And now we have to find the shaded region. So always, what I told you, always first we will write how many total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is. And how many shaded? 1. 1 is out of 4 equal parts. All are equal? Yes. So 1 is out of 1 by 4. Understand it? One more, 10th part. Now 10th part. 10th part. It is very simple 10th part. Look at. It is 10th part given and it is one side is given shaded. So it means how many total equal parts? We have to find only equal parts. Don't say 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Note, all are equal parts. How many equal? Half one side and half is other side. So total part is 1 and 2. And how many parts are shaded? Only one side. So 1 is 1 by 2. So 1 is out of 2. So it means it is, you can write in the 1 second. So you can write 1. 1 is out of 2 equal parts. You can write, okay? 1 seconds. Okay. Next is second question. Now, I hope everyone understand it. Very simple questions these are. Only first part. Now color the part according the given fraction. We have to color the part according the fraction. One like this one. So first in the question is given only this one, and we have to find color the portion. How many? 1 upon 6. It means 1 is out of 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. But we have to find how many? 1 part. So color only 1 part. Any parts you can color. Which one we want to color? And color it. It is answer. Okay. So it is our answer. Any one part you can color. It is not necessary.